Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗏 kalau yok pediang ya kejing ujor halor 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 order kebelai dah ka 𝗘𝗜𝗎𝗍 syauba Francis L Nonglat namolai nongkwar banlum khajana naki kali bakit ya kejingri Ketenat Sarkar kelabatha eki officer bantoket bat banwat benia halor ki kendon an kenang ban shisha la kalong ka shisha ne yang halor kane bat kedai halor ka an ne ka pabian Katkum gini kejing toket akalai po tarik 𝗦𝗔𝗡𝗟𝗟𝗔 Under Secretary Sarkar Meghalaya uba pilengdo ulapha ekshiti syau Under Secretary Ketenat District Council Affairs. Hagan ekshiti lakadau baka 𝗘𝗜𝗎𝗍𝗍 kalapan mi ko hukum ekshitrik 𝗔𝗡𝗟𝗟𝗔 𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏 kabasya yau ni ubreo banlum khajana neki kali ke bakit ikijingri hakat kendai mer bernihat aka distrik ribhoi na kabenta kesenam 𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗟𝗏 Halor kane ketenat veterinary kelabatha ya ketenat district council affairs ban pentip tikna syaka 𝗘𝗜𝗎𝗍𝗍 bachkiwai degi district council hagajela bagi jinglum khajna ki kali ki bakit ki jingri ki kerdop kalong ka baamsha bat ka babean kat kum ko hukum ne ki bor ki bakle du jongkari namar kata ketenat sarkar kala pha khangno ekni ka kerdop bat batha ya ka 𝗘𝗜𝗎𝗍 ban ambo kanu kanu kerdop lum khajna ya ki jingri hakane ka than
We have received one order, the work order issued by the Council to Shri Francis L Nonglat of Maulai Nongkwar for collection of toll tax on animals. So when we have received this, this complaint, so we have I have endorsed to the official of the veterinary department to check the rules, whether it is legal or illegal. So accordingly, on the 13th of June, 30th of June, recently, then from the Undersecretary of the Government of Meghalaya, Shri Pilingdo, they have written to the Undersecretary to the Government of Meghalaya Council Affairs Department, issued by the Council's Autonomous Council Shillong to Shri Francis L Nonglat of Maulai Nongkwar Shillong, permitting the individual to collect toll on entry of vehicles carrying livestock at 19 Mile Bernihat Riboi district for the year 2026-2027. You are requested to kindly inform Council's Autonomous Council, the Council, and other Autonomous Council of the state that collection of toll on entry is not allowed. This issued with the order of the competent authority. So it is illegal. So we have sent from the department. Have sent a letter to disallow the council to collect the toll, the tax on animals, entry of animals.